Hey guys, welcome back to my life. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna call it my life instead of channel. Today, I've got a few things going on. Last week, I was a little short on time. I did get my modification. It's over there. I'll show you that in a little bit. But today, what I wanna do, get the 5.0, the Coyote, get it all cleaned up, ready to get torn down. So I'm gonna tape everything up. Hit it with the power washer, clean it up, get it up on the engine stand right there, get it ready to go, ready to get torn down and get the heads pulled off. A few cool things that I've learned about this motor that I didn't realize. Basically, it is a the 5.0s are very close to the 4.6s, but they're made with all the same tooling from Ford. I didn't know how close they were. Obviously nothing's interchangeable on them. Pretty interesting quick thing that I've learned on the 5.0s. It is out of an F-150, out of a 2011 F-150, so the front cover is different than the Mustang, which moves, I think, my alternator bracket a little wider. Also, it has a front oil cooler, which the trucks came with. The Mustangs, I believe, didn't. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's 10 to 5 to 1 compression on the F-150s, and the Mustangs are 11 to 1 compression. My goal today, or tonight, is to duct tape all the holes up, get ready to power wash it, get a lot of this mud and gunk, dirt stuff off of it. guys, so here I'm back. So here is the Coyote. So my first mod was the Boss 02 intake. Got all the valve cover bolts out on this. I was just gonna pull valve cover real quick and see what it looked like. But with that intake, that thing's gonna look cool. It looks cool as heck. Pretty excited. But I had to take a quick little break. I got my nephew's Roush back in here. We're doing a clutch on it. I pulled the valve cover. I just want to see what it looks like. Probably not the proper way to do it, but so I've never torn one of these apart. This will be my first one. I've been reading up on them quite a bit. All the lobes look good. Looks pretty clean. Doesn't look too bad. Like, subscribe. See you next week.